The last stop on our beach tours is called Crescent Bay. This is the further northernmost beach in our beach tours. This small shell-shaped cove is filled with families throughout the year. Low tide is an excellent time to stroll along the shore. Just adjacent to Crescent Bay is Crescent Bay Point Park. This low-key park has a bird's eye view of Crescent Bay as well as the entire Pacific Ocean. There you have it, Laguna Beach in a nutshell. Hopefully this episode has enlightened you a little bit more about the history as well as a few hidden gems you might not have known about here in Laguna. There's a lot of little nooks and crannies in Laguna Beach that I love, and hopefully that's inspired you to come out, pay a visit overnight or just for the day, whatever's better for you. Thank you very much, and until the next time, keep on traveling.